friends. I'm going to show you our favorite way to eat Brussels sprouts. And there are many ways you can cook them, but we prefer pan-seared or pan-fried. You need your Brussels sprouts, and you need a little extra olive oil, kosher salt, and I also add ghee. So while I'm finishing cutting the Brussels sprouts, I'm going to add the ghee and the extra virgin olive oil to the skillet. So while the skillet's heating, I'm going to show you how easy it is to cut whole Brussels sprouts. You always want to cut off the stem, and then I always remove one, maybe two of the leaves. Then you can cut them as thick as you like. We typically like them about like that, so it's usually thirds. And you want all of your Brussels sprouts to be the same size. So I'll finish this and we'll get these into the skillet. Okay, I have the Brussels sprouts all trimmed. And then I drizzle a little extra virgin olive oil and then sprinkle the kosher salt. I always coat my veggies with EVOO and kosher salt before I put them in the pan. So the skillet is ready, and I'm just going to put the sprouts in. You want to wait until they're crispy on the first side before turning them. Yep. So now that we've got the first side crisped, I'm going to show you one more thing. It's very handy to have this olive oil spray, and you can spray them if they look like they're drying out. Now, I'm going to add just a splash of balsamic vinegar. Absolutely fabulous, crisp Brussels sprouts in the skillet.